2 years ago, I camped in Great Smoky Mountains National Park for my first time so that I could bike around Cades Cove Loop Road on a vehicle-free day. I had a great time and saw a ton of wildlife, including multiple black bears. Fast forward to this past summer, I was thinking about how I enjoyed the last ride, and I figured it'd be really pretty in the fall. Fun fact, there are no vehicle-free days in the fall. That's a summer-only thing. So I accepted I would be doing some things I really enjoy, like riding my bike and looking for wildlife, along with one thing I highly dislike, which is riding with cars. But I figured it's a one-lane road with a 20-mile-per-hour speed limit, so it couldn't be that bad, and started planning my fall camping trip. So I originally wanted to get an earlier start, like right at sunrise, but it's really cold out, and I had a hard time convincing myself to get out of my sleeping bag. Predicting fall colors in the summer can be pretty difficult, especially with the weather we experienced this year. We had a long drought this summer, then got way too much rain. Which, to be fair, Cades Cove did not get hit by Helene like other parts of Tennessee and North Carolina did. But then we had a cold snap right before this trip, so I did not line up my trip with peak fall foliage. I was a bit nervous because the day before I left, I was reading online that there was no fall color yet, so I was pleasantly surprised when I got to the park yesterday and found that that was not true. It still isn't peak colors, but I think I was only like a week early. I don't know what happened with my GoPro here. I had it set to quick capture, so it should have just started recording like normal when I hit the record button, which is how I typically record with GoPros. And it worked the first time, but the rest of my footage recorded with the GoPro looks like this. So, enjoy. I ended up seeing a few deer and a ton of turkeys on my bike ride, but surprisingly, no bears. I've been to Cades Cove twice before. Once when I biked the loop the first time, and once I hiked just a short section connecting some other trails in the area. But both times I saw black bears, so I was mildly disappointed that I didn't see any this time. From what I hear, if your goal is to see bears, spring is a better time to come. The cable mill in Cades Cove was built in 1867. It was one of the grist mills in the area that was used to grind corn or wheat for the nearly 700 residents. It could also be used to mill lumber. Biking Cades Cove in the fall was as pretty as I was expecting. But I will say this, if you only have one chance to bike the loop, in my opinion, biking it in the summer on a vehicle-free day is better. To me, it just felt way more relaxing. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to be always adventuring.